No one wants to end up on the cover of a major news website as a victim of a major league hacker attack. You lose customers, there are financial ramifications, all while your brand is being dragged through the mud. Choosing a cybersecurity platform after a hacker attack is useless. This is why BLINDSPOT, a risk intelligence platform that empowers you to detect threats before they strike, stops this by becoming your GDPR and NIS2 compliance ally. NIS2 directive will be transposed into the national laws of member states by October 2024 and has already raised the standards and expectations for stricter security measures to be met, along with better incident reporting and harsh penalties when not adhered to. NIS2 directive, a multifaceted challenge for organizations. Wider scope. In the previous NIS, the security provision was limited to a few industries, but the improved entities representing waste management, postal services, and manufacturing sectors now fall under the NIS2 umbrella. Foolproof security measures. Knowing they are at risk, organizations must implement sturdy security measures to avoid possible cyber attacks and lose their data to threat actors. Strict reporting needs. The directive commands strict reporting needs to inform about suspicious activity as soon as possible to the relevant authorities, with specific deadlines in place. Heavy penalties for non-compliance. Companies will regret it big time if they don't comply with NIS2. How? Just imagine you overlooked the plan, and the very next day your account is under the hacker's control, and you need to report the incident in 24 hours. Then you'll need to craft a full incident report and figure out how to justify how the breach could occur in the first place. What's BLINDSPOT's role in all of this? Adversarial intelligence. One of the best parts about BLINDSPOT is that it offers insights into the adversarial landscape so you can comprehend the threats you stand against. Proactive detection of threats. BLINDSPOT can identify the threats that are aimed at particular industries, and you can constitute your portfolio to monitor the exposure of your supply chain as well. Quick warning after any malicious activity arises. BLINDSPOT has been made to monitor contemporary incidents and prevent software and physical supply chain attacks. Meeting compliance requirements. BLINDSPOT's detailed threat intelligence arrangement helps organizations meet the stringent reporting requirements outlined in NIS2. BLINDSPOT's broader compliance benefits. While NIS2 compliance is a major reason that makes BLINDSPOT a perfect match for your organization, there are other compliance advantages. GDPR alignment. Understanding attacker motivations and TTPs aligns with GDPR's emphasis on data protection and breach notification requirements. Proactive risk management. BLINDSPOT helps businesses by fostering a proactive stance towards upcoming compromises and supply chain attacks. The platform helps spread awareness about the importance of acting in advance, not after it's too late. Staying one step ahead. By understanding the evolving threat landscape, organizations can implement targeted defenses to mitigate risks and prevent successful cyber attacks. Improved business continuity. Early warning and prompt resolution on your end minimize downtime and disruption to business operations and ensure your reputation stays intact, in addition to avoiding unnecessary spending on cyber incidents and data breaches. This is where you need to realize the importance of adequate risk intelligence and supply chain security solutions. BLINDSPOT isn't just another security tool. It's a risk intelligence platform that can smash that subscribe button just like you should do if you haven't done so already. Oh, but no. In all seriousness, BLINDSPOT helps you fight back.